Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm back out at the lean-to shelter again. Gonna be doing a little work out here. Very tool heavy. Brought the axe, brought the saw, brought a shovel. What I want to do is, I'll turn it and show you. Today's project plan is I want to see if I can straighten this wall here out. May or may not even need it. Frozen in place, but what I want to do is I want to build. Now, I'd forgotten that this wall here had actually been. I don't think they finished it. So what I want to do is I'm going to do a half wall here, but then I want to do a firewood shelter right here. So like I was saying, I want to do a firewood shelter pretty much from between here and this point here. I'm going to pick these up. I'm going to be sawing a lot of these just to do the wall. I'm going to do like a lean-to type here for the wood, and then I'm going to try and clean out the fire pit and get it ready for fire making. There's a lot of dirt in the fire pit, which I'll show you. So I want to get that cleaned out and ready. It's right there. Fix all the rocks. So I'm doing the firewood shelter first, because so when it comes time to for the roof, I'm going to be taking everything off the whole top, and I want to replace any of these that are in bad shape and just cut fresh ones. But most of them actually look really good. But I also might maybe bring out some plastic and run it across the top with like a foot overhang, like maybe down to here, and then just prop it up a little bit with some poles. That way it'll be more waterproof, plus might protect the wood a little bit. But we'll just see how that goes. I'm gonna glove up and get to work. Alrighty, so what I ended up doing, I didn't really mean to do this, but I ended up taking this whole wall down because some of these pieces that were holding it up just broke in my hand, or they sheared off at the ground. So I'm going to need 4 new ones. And yeah, 4 new ones. And I also rolled these bigger ones up out of the way, but I might actually push them back farther up against that tree, this one here, just so I have more room to work with. So I'm kind of at that juncture where I don't know how much to show you and how much to cut out, but I think you get the idea. Hey, he pulled the can't speak. He pulled the 4 posts and just set them aside, as you can see right here. So I'm gonna move all these back up, and then yeah, show you the next part. So I actually cut these pretty long. A little longer than I meant to, but it's easier to trim it off than it is to add to. And I'm using the existing holes I already had, so okay. Man, rapid fire gunshots getting annoying. Yeah, that's great. Chevalier. I stopped, take a break. I'm actually starting to build a sweat. A lot of work, man. I don't know how long it took whoever built this put it together, but respect. They might have done it over a weekend or whatever, but I'm hoping the width of that bottom log isn't going to screw me later by having the upper ones skinnier, because then they'd end up sitting like in almost like a zigzag, which I guess wouldn't be a terrible thing. I mean, I can always take it apart and fix it, so I mean, it's not like it's, you know, it's not like it's cemented in or anything. So, well, I'm gonna, damn it, I had to mess with the camera. Well, I'm gonna catch my breath and get back to work.